Good luck to everybody in this one. Hope everybody's doing well tonight. And this is 24 certified football. Should have 2 autos, 2 mims per box on average. We're going to have 10 packs, 5 cards per pack in this. Topps Chrome Hobby is coming up next. So if you're in that break, that will follow this one. And make sure you guys check and see if there's any of those teams left you're interested in and grab them before they're gone. Here's pack number 1. That is Puka Nacua, Devonta Smith, Tyler Lockett. Our first numbered parallel is going to be Travis Kelce. That's out of 150. Going to the Chiefs. And then we got the Brock Purdy on the certified stars for the 49ers. And that future break schedule link will take you to Wednesday's breaks. The link pinned in the chat will take you to the spots available tonight. There's Javonte Williams, Bijan Robinson, Kirk Cousins, Jalen Hurts. Franchise Foundations, that's Malik Neighbors rookie there for the Giants. Amon-Ra St. Brown, Keenan Allen for the Bears, Cortland Sutton. We got a Will Shipley rookie patch auto here out of 399 going to the Eagles. Nice Will Shipley patch auto there. That's one of our 2 autos we should have in this break. And you guys are going to guess the player on the last auto for 20 credit. Get those guesses in. Stop with this as well. Should have 1 more auto and 2 mims left. Again, if any of those hits are replaced by Panini points, we'll random those off to someone in the break. Wes Welker on the Immortals. Kid Reporter card. Next pack. Got Patrick Mahomes. Devon Achane. We got Tua. Ooh, and our auto. Michael Dean Perry for the Browns. That is out of 199. On the mirror signatures. That should be our last auto. Should have 2 autos per box. We'll see if we get another one. Out of 50. 9 out of 50 on this Tua. Certified stars. Going to the Dolphins spot. There's Jared Goff. Baker Mayfield. Deebo Samuel. Jalen Waddle for the Dolphins out of 275. And we got a filler. Brock Bowers on the certified rookies insert. Next pack. TJ Watt. Jamar Gibbs. Amari Cooper. Myles Garrett. That's out of 349. One to the Brown spot. Gold team Devonta Adams. The Raiders, Kid Reporter card. Justin Jefferson, CJ Mosley, Nick Chubb, Ray Davis on the mim, rookie Ray Davis for the Bills out of 399. And then we got Khalil Mack on the certified stars. Let's top load these hits here. 3 packs left. Deshaun Watson, Trey Hendrickson, James Cook, Darius Robinson. One's out of 50. We have Michael Penix on the Franchise Foundation. Last 2 packs coming up. We have Mike Evans, DeAndre Hopkins, TJ Hawkinson, and a Braylon Allen patch. There's a 3-color patch. The green, black, white right there. That's out of 190, 199, 126 out of 199 on the Braylon Allen New Generations patch. Nice hit for the Jets spot. Bryant Young on the Immortals Kid Reporter card. Up next after this one is our 24 Topps Chrome Baseball hobby. As PYT 870. So if you're waiting on that one, that's coming up next. And we got Stadium Club and Donruss Elite first off the line. There's George Kittle, Alex Singleton, Justin Herbert, Will Shipley. That's out of 400. Then we got a filler. And Roma Dunze out of 299 on the franchise favorites for the Bears to end it. We'll top load recap. Then we're going to move on to our Topps Chrome. We have more certified breaks listed. Grab your spots in the upcoming certified breaks. Use that future break schedule to see all our listings and what we have coming up on Wednesday. We had like 6 or 7 spots left in tonight's breaks. The link is pinned in the chat. If anybody wants to grab any of those spots, do so now. Getting a full break schedule together for Wednesday. There's Darius Robinson out of 50. Michael Penix on the Franchise Foundations. Will Shipley out of 400. Roma Dunze out of 299 for the Bears on the Franchise Foundations. Out of 50. We got the Tua Certified Stars. Out of 275, Jalen Wright rookie for the Dolphins. Out of 349, we had Myles Garrett. Out of 199, that was Braylon Allen. Out of 399, excuse me, Ray Davis. Out of 150, Travis Kelce. Will Shipley out of 399. And out of 199, Michael Dean Perry for the Browns. He was the guest of the break. All right, that does it for this one. Again, we are going to start the Topps Chrome up next here. Let me get the title updated. See, we had a couple spots left in this one. We'll see if we have any more left, or if this one is sold out. I'm going to update the list.